Hello everyone, welcome back. In this short video, I want to share with you some of the many different surfaces that are available at Magnolia Design Co. for your stenciling creations. Now, like I said, there are many, so I'm just going to show a handful of them here, and then you can look on your creator's website to see all of the surfaces that are available. Now, in this class, we've already talked about chalk paste and ink and when you would use each one. So I'm going to point that out as I show these to you, but it's going to be pretty obvious. All right, so some of my favorite surfaces for chalk paste. I'm going to start with this one that's been around for a while. This is called a quad, a square quad. This comes in a set of 4. You can see it's got a really nice chunky wood frame, which allows it to stand on its own. The front side is like a white chalkboard and the back is unfinished. So you have 2 sides you can decorate. This one you can paint whatever color you'd like or leave it plain. Again, the square quad. We also have quads in hexagon shapes. This one is very similar, but this is a rectangle, comes in a set of 2, and is a great size for our 5x7 stencils, either vertical or horizontal. Again, the front side for your chalk paste, it's already painted white, or the back side you can leave plain, you can stain it, you can paint it whatever color you'd like. Now these have been around for a while. A little bit different version of this are the distressed shelf sitters. So this is hollow. It is white painted and distressed around the edges. We have 5x7 and you can see it's 2-sided. So you get one side you could do for fall, the other side for Christmas. Doesn't matter if it's horizontal or vertical. So 5x7. We also now have the white in a 9x12, also 2-sided. So these can stand on their own. And my favorite, a 12x12. This one I've already decorated with a stencil and some rub-on transfers. And then this side with another one of our stencils. I love these shelf sitters. They're very economical. Obviously, these are not going to be able to hang on a wall like these could because there's that little lip there. You could hang them on a nail. But I really, really love the white distressed shelf sitters. And I should mention the 5x7 also comes in a red and a teal. The others only in white at this time. Let's see, there were some others back here I wanted to show you. This is our book stack. It's also kind of the same material, I believe, as these. It is lightweight. You can see it's got little notches to make it look like a book stack. You can stencil some words on here. This side I did to match my kitchen colors, red and teal, for a kitchen theme. And these are really fun to make and give as gifts. We also have some unfinished wood cutting boards. This is our rectangular one, which I have decorated with some paper and a stencil. We also have a round one in this unfinished wood cutting board. Probably one of my favorite surfaces is our beaded 15-inch round. Okay, it is already painted this white on the front and the back. Has some metal hangers screwed into it and comes with beads. Now the beads are unpainted when it comes. I just took mine off and painted them and put them back on. This is really great surface, and again, you can make a 2-sided door hanger. You could cleverly cover these up if you wanted to with bows or florals or something, but I love surfaces that you can get double use out of. My other favorite surface is the cutting board. So this is wood and wood. It comes this color. I did paint this one white at the top, but this is a chalkboard here. So remember what I told you about chalkboards and chalk paste. Now this is dried, semi-permanent on here, but if I wanted to change this out, I would just spritz some water and be able to clean this off and then do a different stencil for fall or Christmas or whatnot. So this is the cutting board. those are some of my favorite surfaces for chalk paste. Lots of different varieties. We have lots of different framed signs as well in different sizes, so check those out. Now moving to fabric. These you would use ink on. We have little banners. This is magnetic at the top and the bottom, and you can buy replacements for the fabric, which is great because then you can just re-ink an insert here and have one frame that you just change out. So we have the little fabric banners. We have little wristlet pouches that you can stencil on. We have garden flags, which are one of my personal favorites. It's double thick, and it has the holes at the top and the bottom, but it is so thick that you can actually do two designs, and you're not going to see the design through to the other side. And let's see, we have tote bags. Here's a tote bag that I stenciled. Aprons, pillow covers, so many different things. So that is just a little glimpse into some of my favorite surfaces, what you can do with them. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and we'll see you again real soon.